Everyone, my name is Omni Black, and this is my final project for the calculator app. I decided to create a cooking app that allows you to convert temperature, time, measurement, and weight seen back here. I wanted to call it Easy Cook because I felt like it would portray what I wanted that app to be, which is easy. I wanted to make something that I would use. I wanted it to be user friendly and simple. Down here are some of my sketches that I came up with. And this is what I came up with digitally. And I saw that it needed quite a bit of improvement. So my second user, or my first user, was a little confused on where to go from the menu page. So I created these icons that you can click on and it takes you to the page you're wanting to convert or do your convertings on. My third user was a bit confused as to where to insert the amount, so I put a box here on the converting page and you put in your desired amount and it will automatically convert your convertings that you choose down here at the bottom. My fourth user mentioned to me that the menu page was a bit too busy, so I got rid of the busyness by blurring out my photo and adding a black transparent background. I felt I needed to add words below the icons so that you understand what the icons are. And lastly, here is like what I had and then what I came up with. Lastly, my fifth user thought the app needed more color. To be honest, I didn't really like any of the other colors I played with. I really thought the gray stuck well with my personality, but I was told that it wasn't very professional, so I added blurred out images on each of the converting pages instead. So I was also asked to make the bottom part more noticeable because that's the most important part. So I thought by adding the red background with the white text would really bring it out. Alright, so here is my final project. And I'm going to go to the home page. Here's my home page. Easy Cook. Here I go to the menu symbol. And I have 4 icons. You simply press on the one that you're wanting to convert and it takes you to the converting page. So let's press one time. You insert your desired time up here or amount. And then you adjust what you're wanting to convert and it automatically converts it at the bottom. So if you put in 1, and then you put hour to minute, 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And then let's go to another page. So let's go to temperature. Put in your desired temp. I used 450, changed it to Fahrenheit, Celsius. 450 Fahrenheit equals 232 Celsius. Measure pint to quart, 2 pints equals 1 quart. Go back. Weight. For weight, I put kilogram to ounces. 3 kilograms equals 105.8 ounces. So basically, this app is just an app that helps you convert whatever you're wanting to convert, and it's super simple. I like it simple, but let me know what you guys think.